Hello everybody, I am at Walmart. Yes, I am here early in the morning, but I'm excited to go shopping. Now, I've had a lot of people ask, and I want to know your opinion on this. So, Walmart, Ibotta apps, a lot of them say they cannot be used with coupons or other offers. Now, I get some people who say stuff and I get people who don't, and I just want to come clean on this. I will not use paper coupons when it says that stuff. I will not use paper coupons. But there are people right now that are hurting, that are having hard times, that need that stuff. So I do try to show those deals with you. I know with like Ibotta, some people are saying that their accounts are getting frozen and stuff. They're not going to really find out with you like submitting your receipt to Shopium and everything. I think they intentionally do this, and they know that people are doing it. I think it's stupid that they are having it where you can't do it. Times are hard. Like, people are hurting. Everybody's hurting. Some people might not look like they're hurting, but they are. So I'm here to help with with anybody. So it is up to your discretion if you guys want to do it or not. You don't have to do it, but I'm sharing with you guys the deals that you can do. I know some people don't like it. Some people will stop following me. I'm sorry. I apologize, but we got to remember, there are people that are hurting. You guys don't see all the messages that I see where people are like, thank you, thank you, thank you. I try to show more deals than what other people do. Like, I try to make it at least fun and easy. I'm pretty much 100% all digital deals now because things are getting hard. For me, it's not worth buying a newspaper in my area. Not worth it. Save that money to use other things. So I'm sorry. I'm just bringing it out there. I know I gotta get people that give me crap for it, but I apologize. I'm here to help other people. But Ibotta knows that's what people are doing. They know it. And somebody made an awesome comment a couple weeks ago, and I'm just like, man, you hit it perfectly, and I cannot find that comment anymore. But I'm sorry for those who don't like that deal, but hey, I'm still here to help you guys out, so you can still follow me, subscribe. Also, I would love it. I would love to hit 60,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you guys can help me do that, that would be great. But let's go inside. It's a little too early to find out what I have for a weekend warrior. My weekend warrior usually shows up at 8 o'clock, and it is almost 8 o'clock. But let's go inside and have some fun shopping while we're at it. So here we have the Kotex U pads for $4.19. You're going to pay $4.19 for it. But we currently have two Ibotta rebates. We have a $1.50. It is a limit of one. And then we also have another $1.50 rebate that you can get. So that's $3 back with Ibotta. That is two rebates. The final price for this is just $1.19, which is a pretty decent deal considering we don't get as many great deals on the pads as we do with the liners. So here we have the Always Discreet, the pads. These are $5.67. You're going to pay $5.67, but you're going to submit your receipt to the Ibotta app where you get $2 back, and then you can also submit your receipt to the Shopkick app where you get 860 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $3.44. Your final price for this is just 23 cents. So here's a great deal on some Axe body wash. It is $4.97. You're going to buy two of them. You will end up paying $9.94. But then you can submit your receipt to the Ibotta app where you get $2 back. It is a limit of 5, so you're going to get $4 back with Ibotta. And then you're going to get a you're going to submit your receipt to the Shopium app where you get $4 off of 2, making them both just $1.94 or 97 cents each. You also will get bonus points with Fetch Rewards. I don't have any specific Fetch Reward deals, but it's still bonus points with Fetch Rewards too. So here we have the Colgate Plaque Pro Release for $7.96. You're going to pay $7.96 for it. But you can submit your receipt to the Ibotta app for $4. It is a limit of one. Then you can also submit your receipt to the Shopium app for $4, making that a 4-cent moneymaker. But I also received $1 or 1,200 points, which is $1.20 through Fetch Rewards. So this ends up becoming a $1.24 moneymaker. here we have the Colgate Sensitive for $4.96. You're going to pay $4.96, but you can submit your receipt to the Shopium app for $1. You can also submit your receipt to the Shopkick apps for 560 points, which is $2.24. And then we also have the Ibotta app where you get $1 back, making this just 72 cents. Usually we say don't pay for toothpaste, but I always try to get Sensitive toothpaste deals for my family members because they're always asking for it, but I'm gonna definitely do this deal, but 72 cents. So here we have the CoverGirl eyeshadow for $4.44. We have a $2 Ibotta rebate that you can submit to, and then we have a $2 rebate with the Shopium app, making your final price just 44 cents. So here we have the Beneful dog food. These are $1.28. You're gonna buy 4 of them. You will end up paying just $5.12. But then we have an Ibotta app or an Ibotta rebate where you get 75 cents and you'll get it times 4. It says you get a bonus, but that's if you get the bigger box. But we're gonna end up getting what, $1.50, $3 back with Ibotta, if I can do the math right. And then we also get $2.75 with the Shopium app when you purchase the 4, making all 4 of these a 63-cent moneymaker. I give these to my neighbor all the time, but a 63-cent moneymaker for buying 4 of the Beneful Incredibite dog food. So here we have a chips and salsa deal. So you're gonna get the Tostitos chips. Most of them are pretty much $4.38. We currently have an Ibotta rebate for $1 back with a limited 2. And then you wanna get some salsa, or I got some queso for $4.42, which we have a $2 rebate with Ibotta, and it is a limit of 2. So altogether, you will end up paying $8.80 for 2 of them. That's crazy, $8.80, but you will receive the $2 back with the salsa and $1 back. And then they also have it where you get a $1 bonus when you purchase the 2 of them. So you'll get a $1 bonus, making them both just $4.80 or $2.40. Now I do have a Shopium coupon where it says you get $5 when you get $2 back when you purchase 5 of these items. Now the salsa does not count towards this coupon, but the chips do. So you can buy some other chips if you want to do this deal, but it's definitely a pretty decent deal. So here is a lot of macaroni. So we currently have the original flavor, which is regular price, $1. There is currently a $1 rebate, or a 20-cent rebate with Ibotta, just making this box just 80 cents. Now we have these special boxes. We have the spirals for $1. Well, the spiral shows that it's $1. The 3 cheese shows that it's $1.12, and the thick and creamy is $1.12. So we currently have a 20-cent rebate with Ibotta for the spirals. So this one would just be 80 cents. We have the 20 cents for the thick and creamy and the 3 cheese. These would end up just being 92 cents for those. And then we also have the Black Panther mac and cheese. This is $1, and there is currently a 25-cent rebate for that one. This would end up just becoming 75 cents. So some great deals for some macaroni and cheese. Here's an easy meal if you guys need something like this to go. So we have the stir-fry cup noodles for $1.12. You would pay $1.12 for it, but then there is a 50-cent rebate with a limit of 5, making these just 62 cents, which could be an easy deal if you guys want to go ahead and do those. Here we have the Nissin Firewalk shrimp and chicken. My store doesn't have the other one, but it's $1.54. You would pay $1.54, but here we have a 50-cent rebate if you guys want to go ahead and try this, making this $1.04. It is a limit of 5, so a pretty easy deal for that. So here we have the Progresso soup for $2.18. You're gonna buy 3 of them and pay $6.54 for 3 of them. But we currently have a deal with Fetch Rewards where you'll get 500 points when you purchase 2, so that's basically 50 cents. Then you get $1 back off of 3 when you submit your receipt to the Shopping app, and you also get $1 back off of 3 when you submit your receipt to Ibotta, making your final price for all 3 of them just $4.04 or $1.35 each, which is a pretty good deal considering it's almost soup season. I am back from Walmart and I'm here to share with you guys everything that I got. So as you saw, everything that you saw, that is what I got. I got to the registers, no problems. I always pay with gift cards. I always roll my items. So like that's another thing. I will be making a video on how I help save for Christmas and all that stuff. So you guys will definitely want to see that. But I always roll my gift cards because why not? Why not? It's easier that way and it's super easy. But everything scanned fine. I needed 18 rebates to finish that to get a weekend warrior. So I needed 18 rebates for $5 and so we hit that. There was a couple things that I was kind of looking at, but then I'm like, no. But I know there is like the Alexa app. I used to submit my receipt from the Alexa app, and then for a while there, the deals were not coming through. But I am not double submitting my receipt. So like coupons.com and Shopium are sister apps, and then like Alexa is kind of a sister app. So if I do the deal again or something like resets on Ibotta, I will submit my receipt to the Alexa app. I do have a video. It did change up a little bit, but it's pretty much kind of the same. But just want to give you guys a heads up. I know I said like, you know, some people are giving me crap for it. It's all up to your discretion. But like I said, I don't really try to abuse the system just for situations like this. I think it's stupid that Walmart or Ibotta doesn't let you use deals and stuff, and everybody's here trying to save money. But let me share with you guys everything that I got for the total. It was $65.52. $65.52. I ended up receiving $25.05 back with Ibotta, so not as much, but I'll still take it. $25.05. With the Shopium app, I ended up getting $12.75 back with submitting my receipt for all those items. With Shopkicks, I got 1,430 points, which is $5.72. Fetch Rewards, I received 2,126 points, which is $2.12. I did finish the Weekend Warrior, so I got the $5 bonus, and then I got that $1 bonus for the Tostitos deal. My goal is usually to get it under 10 bucks, but today it was $13.88. I got 23 items at 60 cents each, which I'm pretty excited for. $13.88. I mean, I got some decent kind of food deals. I mean, macaroni and cheese, we usually eat like 1 box every other week, so that's a pretty okay deal. And then like toothpaste, you can never go wrong with toothpaste. But $13.88 I think is a pretty good deal considering like that one toothpaste was $7.96. So great deal. If you guys enjoy this video, please let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel so I can help you guys save some money and save money on other things other than just couponing, is which I am all for. But let's have a great weekend and you guys can get some great deals at Walmart. Again, thanks for watching and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.